Hey, Kshitij here. If you have ever heard about quantum mechanics, then you must be aware that it's insanely weird. Quantum phenomena cannot be observed in our day-to-day life because trillions of atoms inside our body just dissolves its effect. So we cannot experience it. Or can we? What if I tell you that from the sensation of your smell to the basic photosynthesis is governed on the principle of quantum mechanics? Quantum biology is a new arising field in science which is growing very rapidly. It asks a very simple question. Does quantum mechanics plays a role in living thing? Biological process which needs quantum mechanics to work are very surprising because quantum processes generally need very specific condition to work. When physicists explore quantum effects, they work in pristine condition, usually at temperatures of near absolute zero, with very expensive equipments in complete isolation. So it seems odd that these same processes take place in the hot, wet, messy world of life. But experiments in the past decades have mounting evidence that it is in fact the case. Life on Earth cannot be possible without photosynthesis. Trees do it, green algae do it, plants do it all the time. In fact, more than 15,000 tons of biomass is produced using photosynthesis every second. Photosynthesis is a process in which solar energy converts into chemical energy. So when a photon hits the chloroplast, one of its electrons gets excited and create an exciton and use the exciting energy to reach from molecule to the reaction center. However, getting to the reaction center is a very hard procedure because in between there are hundreds and thousands of chlorophyll. So they have to travel from one molecule to another. But if that were the case, the exciton were more likely to get lost, hence no photosynthesis. But in reality, photosynthesis occurs with near 100% efficiency. This is far more efficient than any of the machine we have ever built. So what's going on here? Let me introduce to a very interesting phenomenon known as quantum superposition. Quantum superposition says a very simple thing. A particle can be at more than one place at the same time. So rather than taking one path at a time, the exciton can spread like a wave and take each and every possible path. From there, it can decide the shortest path. Now, this is very weird, but it has been verified by various experiments. Not only that, from the mutation of DNA to the sensation of your smell can be explained using quantum tunneling. And you must have heard about animals who can sense the Earth's magnetic field, which is very weak by the way. They are able to do that using quantum entanglement. There are a lot of other phenomena which are governed by quantum mechanics. However, there's still a lot of study which needs to be done because many scientists are very critical about quantum biology as they are not sure about the quantum decoherence. A lot of study is still going on. Future seems to be a very interesting place where we will learn a lot more about quantum biology. And who knows, maybe one day we might be able to answer big questions like what is consciousness? Thank you for watching.